Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you a very easy way to create image and video mockups on Canva. It's really very easy to implement. Just with some few clicks of a button you can actually be able to achieve a very good results on Canva. So without wasting so much of your time, let's dive right into it. Okay, so for the sake of this illustration, I'm going to be creating a mock-up for not for a cat, maybe for a puppy. Okay, I'm gonna search for a dog. Yes, and let's see what do we have here. All right, on graphics we can see the image of a puppy. Maybe not this one. Yeah, okay, this looks really good. All right, when you drag this onto your Canva, you can click on the edit button right there at the top, and then the apps section you can select or click on the mockup button. You have the image mockup, the video mockup, smartphone, the print. For the sake of this presentation, we're going to be using the video mockup. All right, when you click on that, yes, Canva is actually going to take a second to actually process this. Yes, and yes, it actually depends on maybe the size of the image or whatever the parameter may actually be, but it doesn't really take so long. All right, and when that is done, you can actually see a very cool preview of the mockup. Okay, right there on the screen you can actually see that the image that I have included on the mockup has actually been applied. Okay, the image is actually cut out a little bit, so I think I'm actually going to adjust this so this fits properly on the mockup back. All right, so I can use the two buttons, the fill and the fit button right there to automatically adjust this. All right, and when I'm done with that, I click on apply change. Okay, and Canva is going to do its thing right where it applies these mockup, these changes that I've actually applied. Yes, it says there's an error. Yeah, but that's not really so much of an issue. I think this is actually an issue with my internet or thereabout, but that's not really a case for this. Yes, so as you can actually see, guys, this is actually being applied and this looks remarkably very good. Okay, yes, in just a few clicks of a button I've been able to apply this. All right, and this is how you can create video mockups on Canva. That is really very cool, and this is really very awesome, and it's very easy to use. Yes, if you have any questions or comments, you can actually leave that in the comment sections and I'll do very well to actually address them. And also, if you have any videos on Canva that you would like me to make a video about, I'm actually going to you can paste that in the comment section and I will address it.